it was, I don't know, it was kind of stupid. But the fact that 60 days of slop, you were willing to you just jumped through hoops of fire yesterday in order to play this game and stay here, where the other person on the block and whose partner could potentially have gone up if you go home, they didn't even try the shit. They just walked away. They weren't playing the game. And you were like, I'm willing to do whatever it takes to stay here. And I think that spoke, like, I can't even think of the word right now because I just woke up. But I was impressed. I was really, and not like I'm someone who's like this, like the judge of, who's here to play the game or not, but being part of a season where there's a lot of people in it, it automatically makes us a target. You know what I mean? So every week it feels like it's win or go home. Mm-hmm. And then you look at like a bunch of other people who it's kind of, they just sit back and they don't have to do anything. You know what I mean? You were put up on the block and you won a veto and you did exactly what it took to get the job done. And like I said, it placed you like in a different category with me.
I'll take that as a giant compliment.
And if I'm the type of person that could give if that was a compliment, but I mean, it's just, to me, it was really impressive. And it blew me away. I was like, holy shit. So.
Well, I appreciate that.
No, George, like I said, yesterday was a perfect example of everything. You had all these people going out there thinking they were going to just like annihilate. I mean, Jace, myself, Will, Kaser, and Boogie. We all pride ourselves as being somewhat athletic in this now. We thought this was going to be some competition.
Yeah, I understand that.
Annihilate. Jason and I were looking for this huge showdown. He gets down there, and it should have said George's fucking House of Veto across the top of it, the way you worked that thing. So,
well, I appreciate that.
Like I said, and it was disgusting to watch Will and Boogie Will didn't even try his stuff. You don't want to be here. Everybody else, there's so many people that want to be here, they want to play.
I want to play.
Oh, that's fucking obvious,
Yeah.
That's obvious.
Yeah, I want to play.
And that was, like I said, it was spectacular, man. What you did yesterday was unreal. I don't know how you're going to make it 60 days on slop, but, and then the thing is, I'm talking to you, I'm like, damn, George, good job. And you're like, that was nothing. And I'm like, that was nothing? You're like, I've done worse. I was like, holy shit. This is a fucking menace. So you impressed a lot of people yesterday with your tenacity.
Okay.
And so, that's
James, here's the way I look at it. If you're not here to play, don't bother.
My point exactly.